We're in Munster, Indiana. We're going to take a look at the, what's this, INS buttons?
INS.
Wait. Wait.
Let's do this one.
Wait.
Wait, but he doesn't tell us what the intersection is. What are people beeping at? Stop beeping! There's something going on over there, I don't know what. But we're over here.
Wait.
That's Indianapolis Boulevard this way. That's Ridge Road. This is Ridge Road. You want to cross the street? We're going to cross the street and go that way.